You can pair your own remote control with the IA40-3 to control the volume and more. Connect the included infrared receiver to the external infrared port. Place the infrared receiver in a suitable location so it has direct line of sight to the remote. Switch the amplifier on. Then, press and hold the power button on the amplifier for 5 seconds until the LED blinks purple. Point the remote control to the infrared receiver and press the volume up button 3 times. The purple LED will blink 3 times. Now press the volume down button 3 times. The purple LED will blink 3 times. Lastly, press the mute button 3 times. The purple LED will blink 3 times, then it'll turn solid white. The process is now complete.